Hello students, good afternoon all. Myself Rohini Chogle. This is my third class for you people. In first class and second class I discussed about the digital electronics and special materials. Only digital electronics I discussed. So in first class what we discussed? Only what you mean by the digital electronics, binary number and decimal number. In second class, conversion from binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and also binary addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So all of you familiar with the binary number and decimal number, and also conversion from binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So this is third class. So before coming to third class, first we go through the first class and second class. Okay, so in this class I want to discuss about the ones complement, twos complement and octal number system. So first, what do you mean by ones complement? Ones complement means what? In a binary number, if we replace 0 by 1, we obtain another binary number which is known as ones complement. See here, already you know what do you mean by the binary number. Already you know what you mean by the binary number. Already we know what to mean by the binary number. The binary number is one which can be indicated by 0 and 1 only, and base 2, that is known as binary number. So ones complement is nothing but we know the binary number is only 0 and 1. So 0 can be replaced by 1 and 1 can be replaced by 0. That is only the ones complement. So let us see the example. 1010, this is binary number. Ones complement of 1010 is, see here, 1 can be replaced by 0. Okay, so 0 can be replaced by 1. So 1 can be replaced by 0. 0 can be replaced by 1. So ones complement is nothing but 0 changes to 1 and 1 changes to 0. Simple is there. So second example, 0100. Ones complement of 0100 is 0 is 1. So whenever there is 0, change it to 1, and whenever there is 1, change it to 0. So 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, double 0 is there, so it is double 1. So ones complement is what? In a binary number, if we replace 0 by 1, we obtain another binary number. See, this is also binary number, and when we changes it 0 to 1, 1 to 0, the one number is coming. No, that is also binary number, which is known as ones complement. Ones complement is clear. So now twos complement. So what do you mean by twos complement? If 1 is added to ones complement of a binary number, the resulting binary number is known as twos complement of binary number. So what do you mean by twos complement? Already we know what do you mean by ones complement. Whenever the binary number is 0, 1 is there, no, so replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0, that is ones complement. And what do you mean by twos complement? Already we know ones complement. So add 1 to that ones complement, the resulting binary number is only the twos complement. That means what? See, let us see the example. 0 11 00 11 0 is there. So the twos complement of this number. First we have to find the ones complement of this binary number. So whenever 0 is there, 1, 00 is there means double 1 is there means double 0, double 0 double 1, double 1 double 0, 0 to 1. This is what? First complement. Next we have to add plus 1 to that plus 1 to that ones complement. So it becomes here 1 plus 1 means what? In addition of binary numbers, 1 plus 1 is sum 0 and carry 1. Remember, see, in binary addition 1 plus 1 is what? Sum 0 and carry 1. But in binary subtraction, 0 minus 1 is what? Difference is also 1 plus borrow is 1. So this is what? 1 plus 1 is sum 0 and carry 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 is 0. 1 is 1. 1 is 1. 0 is 0. 0 is 0. Next one is as it is. This is about twos complement. So what do you mean by ones complement? Just change the binary number 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. We will get another binary number, that is ones complement. Next twos complement means what? Adding plus 1 to the ones complement, that is only twos complement. Okay. Next, subtraction using twos complement. So how to subtraction will take place using twos complement? Let us see. Binary subtraction can be performed by adding the 2's complement of subtrahend to the minuend if a final carry is generated. Discard the carry and the answer is given by the remaining bits. Sir, this is easy. Binary subtraction can be performed by adding the 2's complement of subtrahend. Okay, 2's complement of subtrahend to the minuend if a final carry is generated. Okay, discard that carry and the answer is given by remaining bits. Okay, let us see the example. To subtract 1012 from 112. See here, these both are binary numbers. We can easily subtract 111 minus 101. We have to see that in binary subtraction, but it is subtraction using 2's complement is there. Don't confuse it. In examination directly they were given subtract 1012 from 112 means using binary subtraction we can subtract there, but using 2's complement means the procedure is different. Okay, so this example is using 2's complement. So see here, if we shall find 2's complement of subtrahend and added it to the minuend. See here subtrahend is what? This is minuend and this is subtrahend. Okay, this is what? Subtrahend. Okay, 101 is subtrahend and 111 is minuend. So 1's complement of 101 is what? 010. So 2's complement means adding 1. That means 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is 1 as it is. 0 is 0. So this is was 2's complement of subtrahend. Next, now add this 2's complement of subtrahend to minuend. What is minuend? 111 plus 111 is there, no minuend. Next, subtrahend is 2's complement of subtrahend is 011. Okay, so 011 is 2's complement of subtrahend. That means what? 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Okay, next 1 plus 1 is what? Sum 0, carry 1. That sum 0 plus 1 is 1. Here carry is also 1 there. So 1 plus 0 is 1. That 1 plus this carry is sum 0 and this carry is 1. So now discard carry. Carry means what? This carry 1 is there now. So excluding this carry, remaining what is? Remaining what? 0, 1, 0. So this is the answer for this example. So what is the example? Subtraction using 2's complement. Okay, 101 to 111. So what we have to do here? First, say this is subtrahend, this is minuend. First what we have to find here? First we have to find the 2's complement, this subtrahend. 2's complement means what? First take 1's complement, means whenever there is 0 change to 1, whenever there is 1 change to 0. Next, adding plus 1 to plus 1 to that 1's complement, we will get 2's complement. Next, minuend is there, no? Adding that 2's complement of subtrahend to that minuend. Okay, then we will get one answer. There must and should carry will come. Now we have to discard that carry and remaining answer is the answer for this problem. Okay, simple is there. Now octal number system. So what do you mean by the octal number system? Binary and decimal you know. Okay, so binary means what? Only 0 and 1. Decimal means what? 0 to 9 means 10 numbers are there. Those are decimal numbers with base 10. So octal number is also what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means 8. Octa means what? 8. 8 these numbers are octal numbers. With base 8 means that is only octal number system. So see here, octal number system is used in many computers and microcomputers. This chapter digital electronics is there in your CS computer science students also. Okay, chapters also in computer science chapters also containing digital electronics, same is there in here also. Okay, so octal number system is used in many computers and microcomputers for entering data. There are 8 combination of 3-bit binary numbers can be represented by octal numbers, means 3-bit binary numbers can be represented by octal numbers. I will tell you how to represent those number, and this can be conveniently be used for entering data in a computer. Therefore, the knowledge of octal number system is very important for the efficient use of microprocessor, etc. Okay, the number system with base 8 is known as octal number system. Already I told the number system with base 8 is known as octal number system. In these 8 symbols, those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are used to represent number similar to decimal and binary number system. It is also a positional system. See here, the number system is same, means binary, decimal, octal. Next one is hexadecimal. Binary means only 2 with base 2, 0, 1 with base 2. Decimal means 0 to 9 with base 10. Octal means 0 to 7 with base 8. Clear, no? So they told that 3-bit means what, sir? Octal means 0 to 7 means 8 numbers are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are octal numbers. The binary number means, here, how to write this one? First write 4 0. 1 2 3 4 means 4 0 4 1. It is easy to remember. Next 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Next 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Easy to remember, no? So what? First 4 0 4 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So these are 3-bit binary numbers. Means what? Whenever the octal number 0 is there, no? So conversion of 0 octal number to binary number is 0 only. So similarly, conversion of 5 octal number to binary is 1 0 1, like that only. Okay, so it is easy. 0 to 7, 4 0 4 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Easy, no? Now see, octal to decimal conversion. Already we convert binary to decimal. Okay, similar manner we have to convert octal to decimal conversion. So how to convert octal to decimal? So octal to decimal conversion. An octal number can be converted into an equivalent decimal number by using below procedure. See here, one example. Convert 3627.40518 with base 8 means this is octal number to decimal number. See here, binary to decimal, how will convert? This point is there, no? Means here before the point means 0 1 2 3, 2 raised to. Here means 2 raised to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Similarly in octal is there, no? So there is, instead of 2 we have to take 8. Okay, next here 0 1 2 3 means 3 into 8 raised to 3 plus 6 into 8 raised to 2 plus 2 into 8 raised to 1 plus 7 into 8 raised to 0. Next plus 0, no? So after the decimal number 4 is there, no? Means 4 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 8 raised to minus 2 plus 5 into 8 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 8 raised to minus 4. Okay, next 3 as it is. 8 cube is 512 plus 6 as it is. 8 square 64 plus 2 as it is. 8 raised to 1 8 plus 7, anything raised to 0 is 1 plus 4. 8 raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 8 plus 0. 8 raised to minus 2 means 0. 8 raised to minus 2 is 0 is 0 plus 5. 8 raised to minus cube is 1 by 512 plus 8 raised to minus 4 is 1 divided by 4096. 8 raised to 4, that is. Next, simple multiplication. 512 into 3, this much. 64 into 6. Okay, next 8 into 2, 7 into 1. So 4 2s are 8. 5 1 2. 1 divided by 4096. Next, simply add this and simply add this. Okay, next 1943.5100009765 with base 10 means conversion from octal to decimal. We have to keep 10 as a base. So this example is, same like your binary to decimal only, but instead of 2 we have to take 8, that is octal number. Okay, take this example as a homework. 357.57682 decimal number. Easy. 0 1 2, so 8 raised to 2. First minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Calculate, no? Next decimal to octal conversion. So first is what? Binary to octal conversion is over. Now decimal to octal conversion. So in decimal to binary conversion, how we will do? Using what? Division only. Quotient, remainder, all of you remember, no? Here, the conversion from decimal to octal is similar to the conversion procedure for base 10 to base 2. Means what? Base 10 is decimal to base 2 is binary. The only difference is that number 8 is used in the place of 2 for division in the case of integers and for multiplication in the case of fractional numbers. See here. Let us take the example. Convert 247 with base 10 means what? This is decimal number to octal. See here, decimal to binary means quotient and remainder is also there in binary also, but we have to divide that number is 2 means that is binary, but now we have to divide that number with 8 means octal numbers. Here 247 by 8, what? 8 3s are 24 into 0. Okay, means what? Remainder is 7. Same like binary, but we have to divide with 8 here. Next 30 is quotient. So 30 divided by 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 3s are 26. Okay, 26. 30 minus 26 is, 24. Remainder is 6. Next 3 divided by 8. Quotient is 0. Remainder is 3. Okay, now 3, 6, 7. In binary also, we have to take the remainder in reverse manner. Here also, 2, 4, 7 with base 10, decimal to octal means take 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7 with base 8. So, this is conversion of decimal to octal. Okay, next, take different example. Convert this number 0.687510 decimal number into octal number. So, same example is also I solved in conversion of decimal to binary also, but in that example I multiplied by 2. Here we have to multiply by 8. So 0.6875 into 8, this much answer will come. So take 5 here, remaining is 0.5 0.5000 into 8, 400. Okay, here 4 is come means answer, remaining term is 0. Next no term will come. So here, so this decimal number to octal is first write 5, next 4. Here in a reverse manner, but here in write first value, next second value with base 8. That is what? Conversion of decimal to octal number. Okay, now octal to binary conversion. So what we discussed in the first? See here, first we discussed what? Octal to decimal and decimal to octal. Okay, first octal to decimal, decimal to octal is over. Now decimal to binary and binary to decimal we have to convert. So octal to binary and binary to octal we have to convert. Now octal to binary. Octal number can be converted into an equivalent binary number by replacing each octal digit by its 3-bit equivalent binary. Already you know 0 to 7, these are 8 octal numbers. The binary numbers of these octal numbers are 4041 0011 0011 0101 0101. Okay, these are binary numbers. Now using above table we can convert any number from 0 to 7 in the octal system. Only 0 to 7 numbers are there means that is octal number. Suppose it is 8 means that is not an octal number, that is again a decimal number. Remember that. Using above table we can convert any number from 0 to 7 in the octal system into its equivalent binary number. Each digit in the given octal number is first converted into its binary equivalent. Then these equivalent are written one after the other in the same order as the corresponding digits in the octal number. By conversion, a space is left between consecutive groups of their binary bits each. Okay, whenever we solve the example you can easily understand. Let us take the example 57 with base 8 means this is octal number. Conversion of this octal to binary. See here, we have to convert octal to binary number means first we have to remember this table. Okay, so remember this table is easy. 0 to 7, 4041 0011 0101 like that. So 57 with base 8, this is the octal number. See here 5, first 0, huh? Remember, no, don't start 1 2 3 like that. First 0, must and should first 0. 57 means first 5. 5 binary number is 101. So 5, whenever 5 is there, write 101. Next 7 is there, no, the 7 binary number is 111. So 101 111. Here 8 means octal, 2 means binary. Simple is there, no? So octal to binary with base 2. Next 34.65, 34 3. 3 binary number is 011. Next fourth binary number is 100. So 011 100. Point is there as it is. 6 and 5. Okay, 6 110. 5 means 101 with base 2 means that is conversion from octal to binary. Next 0.53 is there. Point, write 0 point as it is. 5 and 3. Whatever 5 answer 101 and 3 011. 5 3 011 with base 2. Next 264 2 010 6 110 4 100 with base 2. 273 273 364. This is 3 is 3 6 and 4 with base 2. That is what conversion from octal to binary number. This is very easy. First remember this table. Okay, whenever 3 is there, no octal number, write corresponding 3-bit binary number. That is only conversion from octal to binary number. Next, binary to octal. So how to convert binary to octal? Binary to octal conversion is there. First we convert octal to binary. Next binary to octal. Binary number can be converted into an equivalent octal number by making a group of 3 bits starting from LSB and moving towards MSB. Okay, LSB to moving towards MSB for integer number and then replacing each group of 3 bits by its octal representation. Means what here? When we solve the example, then only we can understand. Convert this is what? Binary number. Now we have to convert this binary number to octal. So how to convert? This is they were given. Okay. Sir, 6 numbers are there. First group we have to group 3 numbers. Okay. These 3 1 numbers, these 3 2, these 3 1, these 3 2. Sir, 101 011 point 110 111. Sir, 101. What is there? 101. 101 is there, no, means what? 5 is there. So write here 5. 5. Similarly, 011 value is 3. 110 value is 6. 111 value is 7. So 53.67 with base 8 is what? Conversion of binary to decimal. This example is also same like that first example only. First we have to group 3 bits, one number, means 110 101 001 011. 110 value is 6, 101 value is 5, 001 is 1, 011 is 3. Means what? 65.13 with base 8 means what? That is conversion of binary to octal. So what we discussed in this class? First one is what? Ones complement and twos complement. So what do you mean by the ones complement? Whenever there is 1 is there, 1 replacing by 0 and 0 replacing by 1, we will get another binary number, that is ones complement. And what do you mean by twos complement? Adding plus 1 to ones complement, that is only the twos complement. Next, subtraction using twos complement means take twos complement of subtrahend and add minuend. Then we will get one value. Next we have to discard that carry. We will get final answer. Next, octal number system is what? 0 to 7. These are the octal numbers with base 8. That is octal number system. Okay. Next, octal to decimal conversion means what? Octal to decimal. Sir, octal to decimal means what? Whatever the number is there, we have to take 8 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Next, decimal to octal means what? Decimal to octal we have to divide that one with divide that by 8 and write a quotient and remainder. Write the remainder in reverse manner with base 8. That is only conversion of decimal to octal. Next, octal to binary means what? we know the table 4041 0011 0011 Now we have to write whatever the number they were given, we have to write the corresponding binary number with base 2. That is only the conversion of octal to binary. Next, binary, these numbers where they were given, we have to convert that binary to octal, means corresponding octal number we have to write with base 8. This is only octal to binary, binary to octal, decimal to octal, and octal to decimal. So see here, don't confuse this chapter. In this chapter, binary number, decimal number, octal number, hexadecimal, only 4 number systems are there. Okay, so first binary and decimal means we have to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Clear? Next, octal number system is there. Octal number system means what? We have to convert octal to decimal and decimal to octal. Next, octal to binary and binary to octal. Okay. In next class onwards, I want to discuss about the hexadecimal number system. Okay, before coming to that class, first read these 3 classes. If you have any doubt, any questions, please contact me. Thank you.